we are going to do some really difficult math. Okay, some really big challenge. And this is a strategy. I've talked a little bit about it with Star and Dakota, but I haven't talked about it with y'all yet. And you might not even know it. A lot of adults don't even know this strategy. All right, I have
7 times 6.
7 times 6. Okay,
7 times 6 is
54.
47,
14, 21, 28, 35, 42. It's 42.
42.
7 times 6 is 42. Now, what is 3 times 14?
3 times 14
It's the same thing. You just like split.
Now, wait a second. How did you know it was the same thing?
I knew it was the same thing because they just literally cut this in half, so they doubled this number and half this number, so it would be the same. And it wouldn't be the same number if you like switch the 6 to a 5 and this to an 8. But if you
they doubled this number and half this number, so it's going to be the same answer?
Yes.
Let me show you what I mean. We had 7. We had 6 sevens, right? On this one, let's double check. We had 6 sevens, right?
I already am halfling in the I think you accidentally marked my pens a little.
Oh, sorry. So we have 6 sevens. Is that 6 sevens?
Yes.
And do we know that if we put 2 sevens together, do we know what that is?
14.
Good. So now I have 3 14s. Is that the same thing?
Yes.
Are you sure I didn't move it? I didn't do this
Or 20.
sleight of hand and take something away while y'all weren't looking?
No.
Is that the same thing as 3 sevens?
Yes.
I mean, is 6 sevens the same thing as 3 14s?
Yes.
Okay. So what is it?
It's 42 as well.
Well, let's double check. I have 14 plus 14 plus 14. Let me try to count it this way.
14 plus 14 plus 14 is
14 plus 14 plus 14 is 4. Wait, no. Wait,
What's 14 plus 14 plus 14?
4 plus 4. 8 plus 4. 8 plus 4
plus
then
I'll let Michael figure
8
it out.
plus 4 then plus 30. 8 plus 4 would be 12.
Okay, so do you
And
want me
then
to
12
put
plus 30.
these into a 12?
12 plus 30.
What is 12 plus 30? What's 30 plus 12? Michael, you can do it.
42.
Yes, and that's what it's supposed to be. Woo! Listen.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
5, 10.
8, 10.
Well, that seems easy.
10
Is it 10
times
eighths? What is that?
32.
10
8 is 80. 56. 63, 72.
10 times 8.
80. It's 80. It's 80. Yes, it's 80.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Equal
8, 9, 10 eighths. So you said that 10 eighths is 80.
Yep.
We have 8 times 10 is 80, right?
Yep.
All right.
Can I tell you how I did?
And
No, wait.
80
We already kind of know that. 8
10
times
is
10 is 80. That's kind of the easy way, right?
Uh-huh.
So far.
Yeah.
I mean, not easy, but you got that. It's
memorize,
solid. You understand it.
Uh-huh.
Now, let's move forward. Are you ready?
See what we're gonna do.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
16
16s.
times
It's halving and doubling again.
It is. It's halving and doubling again.
It's a 7 times 6 and 14 times 2. They halved the number of things you have and multiplied the things you're counting by.
So we have 16 times 5. Now, Max, I'm going to put you on the down low for a second.
Okay.
Times 5.
No. We have, these are 16s now, look, because we could put 8 plus 8 together, and that's 16. And how many groups of 16 do we have?
5.
5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 16s. Okay, now look at what we did here.
It's the
It's
same
80.
thing.
It's both 80. They're both 80.
You think they're both 80, but look here.
Yes.
What's the difference? I mean, what's the relationship between that 8 and that 16, Dakota?
Because it goes 8, 16.
8 plus 8 is 16, right? The difference is 8, and so we have 8 plus another 8 is 16, so that's double. That's a very cool mathematical word because it's very precise. It means times 2. 8 times 2. 8 doubled is 16. What about this? What's the 5? What's the relationship between the 10 and the 5, Star? You can sit down. What's the relationship between it?
You just A 5 and a 5 makes 10.
Good.
No. 10 is double 5.
10 is double 5, but what is
Yep.
5 then? 5 is
5
half.
is
Five is half. And that's a very precise mathematical term. Doesn't mean it's just less than. It means it's perfectly in half. Okay.
Yep.
So this one's doubled, and this one's half. So this one's times 2. This one's divided by 2.
Oh.
Okay, but we're supposed to have the same answer. I wonder if we do have the same answer. Yes, Dakota has something to say.
So I think we can figure it out like 50, 30, 45, 60, 75, and then I add 1 on all of them.
Whoa! So you know that 15 times 5 equals 75. That's very, very great. And then you're going to add one more 5 to it?
Yeah.
Because this says 16 fives. And you added 15 fives, so you had one more, what, one more 5?
Yeah.
So what's 75 plus a 5?
75 plus the 5 is 80.
And that's what we're supposed to get. Cool. Now, I have 16. Can we add that up?
Yeah.
Let me put it into 10s and 6s for you so that you can see that you can add it up. Now, let's see. Michael, can you add that together for me?
Okay. 6 plus 6.
Can you scoot your body back a little bit so that...
30. This is 30. These are 30.
Oh, you know that 5 6s is 30?
Yep.
Well, that's easy. Wow.
It's just tens now.
And then 50 plus 30
Jackpot.
equals
Jackpot.
80.
Okay, cool.
80.
Awesome.
We got 80.
Oh my goodness.
I have another way.
I thought this was going to be too hard for y'all, but it's not. Oh, that's okay. We're going to keep moving.
Everyone's keeping up.
6, 12, 18, 24, 30.
6 times 6.
36.
6 to the
6
power
times
of 2 is 36.
What? 6 times to the power of 2. 6 with a superpower of 2,
Yeah.
right? 6 squared is 36, which just means 6 times 6 is 36.
It says plus. What in the world
6 times 6 is 36.
That
You
was
know what
like
it's going to
one
ask?
of those things.
Just a sec. You know what it's going to ask?
6.
Wait, it's half and double again.
It's half and double
36
again.
again.
This is a strategy called doubling and halving, and a lot of adults don't know it.
Yeah, you double the 6 and half the other 6.
2,
What is 12 times 3? I think you already know it by the 12 song. 12, 24,
36.
36. And you don't even have to have it because you already know 12 plus another 12 plus another 12. You don't even have to
4, 36.
compose any tens or regroup anything.
I know how to solve.
Yeah, you do. Show me.
Okay. So I did it like this. 3 times 2. 3 times 2 is equal 6.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm going to break this up into
Okay. And so what have you got?
36.
36. Nice.
That was easy.
That was easy.
Oh. And now.
Okay, you ready for something
Another
different?
marker.
And now for something completely different.
And now the
Wait, but Michael's trying to beat y'all.
No.
Huh? He's trying to get it first. Can you sit down?
27.
I want to make sure I can see everybody.
7,
63,
63,
21.
I count by 9.
Well, how many sevens do we have?
14.
Just a second. Nobody can see the cards, so let's do it together. Wait, let's do it together. Let's do. What do you want to sit together means? Because you're singing, but you don't know when to stop yet. Okay. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I know that 5 plus 4 is 9. So we're gonna have 9 fingers up. Are you ready? You gotta have the 9 fingers up, or we might get lost of where to stop. Okay. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, and 49, 56, and 63. What is 7 times 9?
63.
Are you sure?
Friendly 10 strategy.
What do you mean by the friendly 10 strategy?
So this is the strategy we learned in math seminar.
Just a second, Star. You're not the teacher yet.
So so could you like write this on the board? So I turned the 9 and added it to a 10. So 7 times 10 is
Mm.
70.
Okay.
And then I just took away one. Then I did 70 minus 7 then to get 63 because 7 times 9 is 1 7 less than 7 times 10.
That is so cool. And we call that the over strategy. And actually, Star sometimes calls it the star strategy because she likes to count to the next 10 up and then go backwards. That
You
is
have like
so
a
cool.
breaking
The
5
star
strategy.
strategy does sound like a cool name.
It does, doesn't it? Okay, so now, wait. We had 7 times 9 was, what was it?
It was 63.
63. Cool.
Now we're
Now.
finna have.
Something altogether different.
Oh,
Yes, ma'am.
I know how to solve this.
2 plus
What's different about this, should we say? It's not just 2s, though.
60 plus
triple
3.
then
63.
divided
63. 63.
Oh.
It's 63.
You are already figuring it out. So we have 21 times 3, and you're saying 20, 40,
63.
60. and 1, 2,
triple then divided by 3.
This is something interesting, this relationship.
I know.
It's tripled.
This
And-
is
and
tripled.
divided by 3.
7 times what is 21? 7
3.
times 3. And 9 divided by what is 3? 9 divided by 3.
3.
So now I have 21 times 3.
21
Let's use the math rod.
63.
Mm-hmm.
I can.
Yeah, I mean, I think you already know it. Do we need to use the math rods?
No, but
And now we
know
have
the
strategy.
times 10 is
No, I'm going to trick you this time because you don't know the 18s.
Well,
1,
my
2,
times
3,
also works too, but we're not.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Got it. Okay, so I have 10 nines. I have 9 10s. I mean, I have 10 nines. I have 9 taken 10 times. Are you already doubling them?
Yep.
What did you make when you doubled the 9 plus 9 with another 9?
18.
18. When you doubled the 9, you had 18.
We already got the
18
next
plus
problem.
18. 18.
18 plus 5 18s. We have 5 18s now. Oh my goodness, you already doubled this to 18, and you know we have 5 of them. So 18 times 5 should be the same thing.
18 times 5 is 90.
You think it's 90? Okay, let's double check. 18 times 5. Look, we can count these 10s. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And then we can count these 8s. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40. Freeze. So what's 50 plus 40?
50.
90.
90, because 5 plus 4 is
9.
And so 50 plus 40 is
90.
Nice job. Was that the last one? Did I say just?
Yeah, you said that was the
That's
last
the
one.
last one. You guys did awesome. Thank you so much.